Hello and welcome to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. We are just about to join the guys from Ford Classics UK, supported by Arrow Performance. Oh, this is good. I'm liking this. Yeah, I think we'll stop off and have a look at these. Great stuff. Wow, look at that. And here's the 1988 Estate, as we called them in those days. Escort 1.6 GL, great stuff. RO Performance and Restoration are very talented guys from Bury in Manchester. Today we'll have a look at the Ford Escort Mexico, which has been featured on SLR.tv twice before. Stick around for some clips of those two films nearer to the end. More of that later, and some footage from our 2020 films. We will feature all of the cars on stand today, and they'll have their own films. However, let's focus on the Ford Escort Mexico. Who better to tell us all about it than the man himself? Here's the owner, here's Rob.
So it's a 1974 Mark 1 Escort Mexico. I bought it in 2013. It was a bare shell and millions of parts. Then set about restoring it. It took me 18 months altogether. Modified quite a few things along the way as I built it for myself and not to show originally. Spec of the engine, it's the original 1600 711M Kent engine, which we bored out to a 1700. Had a stage 3 cylinder head on it, 244 camshaft. It's fully forged bottom end, crank, pistons, rods, gone right the way through it, rebuilt the whole thing. That's mated to a 4-speed rocket box, which I preferred than the original 3-rail box that the Mexicos had. It's on twin 40s, it's got full stainless steel exhaust system, Willwood brakes up front, 9-inch drums on the back, contour interior. Yeah, I've built the car for me. Usually we're in diamond white, but we've done mine in ermine white. I prefer the colour, looks a bit more retro, and I really think that the red stripe set it off as well. It's 13-inch RS wheels with Yokohama tyres, 4 civvies up front. It was rolled when we set it up. It made 152 brake horsepower, which is a lot from the original, I think it was 88 brake horsepower that they started off with. So yeah, it's a great thing to drive.
Yeah. Thank you. I like it. The appearance is original, but if you look closely, there's some lovely touches that personalise it to its owner. This Ford Escort Mexico is an absolute showstopper. Check out those twin cam chrome racing door mirrors, the bullet mirrors. Excellent. 10,352 Mexicos were made, one of the rarest and most expensive additions on the road today. And congratulations for what you've achieved. Fantastic, Rob. We'll be seeing the guys and more of the cars on the stand later.
Thanks to Stevo and Rob. Hello everybody. Hiya. Toot toot. Beep beep. Alright, let's have a look at those films from 2020 Ford Escort at the show. There it is. There's Rob's motor. Many thanks to Rob and the team from Bury in Manchester. Ford Classics UK, supported by Arrow Performance and Restoration. I'll put links for you to see both of those films. I'm looking forward to the film GL Ford Escort and of course the 1959 early Ford Anglia. Can't wait. And please remember to give Rob's Ford Escort Mexico the thumbs up, and you can subscribe to SLR.tv for future films and a look at our past library. You know, there's over 100 films there for you to look at and enjoy. You can see the cars up close and personal. That's why you've got to get to the show if you can make it. I'll see you there with my good mate Stevo here on SLR TV till next time, toot toot, beep beep, see ya.